What's up? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Unbroken Studios. And today, before we get into the video, I got a quick announcement. I'm back on campus, which means I'm back in college. So some of the client work is going to be slowing down a little bit. So I'm only going to be accepting a couple clients a week, but that's what I got to do. So today we're going to be doing designing like Hellstar Part 3. Y'all asked for this one a lot, so we can go ahead and get into it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from a sketch. This is a sketch I have. All I'm gonna do is lower the opacity. I'm gonna go in with the pen tool and trace it out. Now I'm going for, my inspiration is the newer collection for Hellstar's designs. So I'll pop up a picture on screen. Somebody sent this to me, and shout out to you if you sent this to me. So yeah, appreciate that. So everything in this stage doesn't have to be perfect, because we're gonna go in later on and fix all the mistakes. And to me, that's a good thing about Illustrator, because you can go and select points and fix the typography that you have, or fix the sketch that you have, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so now we got everything all traced out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rearrange the placement and the size of the letters. And make sure you get the correct spacing. I do this little the box trick just to get even spacing between all the letters, you know what I'm saying? I changed up the R a little bit, but this is pretty much the final typography what we're gonna go with. And I know right here I could have did this way easier, but it's all right. We're just gonna let that go. Now what I do is I add the star, and I'm just gonna distort it just a little bit, just to make it, you know what I'm saying, just to slide this bit different, you feel me? Just so it's not just like a regular star. Then we're gonna add a point on the eye, just to kind of get this offset effect. Then we're gonna make a few adjustments, and then we're gonna take it into Photoshop. Now we're gonna get that same effect from the inspiration in the layer styles. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. What you're gonna use is gradient maps. I made these right here, but if you want the color ones, you can go to Texture Labs and you can download that gradient map for free. So get a gradient map, or a gradient overlay, excuse me, and then get a stroke, a drop shadow, and an inner glow. And you'll have something like this. You can copy my settings if you want, you know what I'm saying? But in the end, this will be the final product. It's that really retro 80s metallic gradient effect. Looks pretty cool. Now just add in your photo asset. For the sake of time, this image is AI generated, just so y'all can get the basic concept of what I'm doing. I want y'all to take what I'm doing and then make it better, you know what I'm saying? I'm just showing y'all how to do it. So then we're gonna add an outer glow. You can play around with placement. Make sure you rasterize your layer style before you want to move anything. Then we're gonna add these sparkling effects. It just goes with the chrome aesthetic. Then I just threw something for the back of the shirt, something that matches the front loosely. Then we're gonna go to my Vengeful Tribal Shapes asset pack. Link in the description for this if you want it. And just grab a shape, and we're just gonna throw it in the background just for a framing device. Then I go and I add the word records, and I really like the branding for this, the vintage meets volume. It really plays into that vintage 80s record label, you know what I'm saying, grunge shirt design. And to be honest, it's looking pretty good right there. We're gonna throw it on the mock-up, but this is an important part. You wanna make sure you take all the black out of the image. So the black that's in the image is the actual shirt, if that makes sense. But this is the final product. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below what y'all wanna see next. And also comment down below some like design questions or questions about me. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A, and that Patreon's coming soon. Y'all stick with it and be patient with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm back in school, so I'm slowing down on the client work. So y'all be patient. With that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching, and we out. Peace.